What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shifting It with T. Today we're heading out to go pick up some tires for the truck. They're 35 by 12.5 by 20s, and I haven't really been wanting to get new ones, and I was just scrolling on Facebook Marketplace and I found a set for around $300 that are in pretty decent shape. I mainly just want to get something that'll help me get through this season. Car meets and stuff like that, car shows. I might take it a couple times, but the ones that I have are just bald, like he did a burnout everywhere he went. So we're gonna be getting those, and then we're gonna be doing some prep work on the Subaru, trying to get that ready for paint. We're gonna be sanding, taking some stuff off, and yeah, it's a beautiful day out today too. The weather's been starting to get warm now finally. It's like 46 degrees, so it's pretty nice out. Sun's out, so. All right, so I did a few things to it off camera, but I basically got both left and right, or vice versa. I don't know how it's set up for the camera, but both panels taken off, the hood's taken off, and this shroud up here. Side skirts, we've got some rust down the bottom. I gotta take off the trunk, rear bumper, front bumper, mirrors, and then maybe I might take off these. It depends how hard it is. I'll have to look at that, but yeah, a few things done to it. But yeah, if some of you guys, if you don't watch my TikToks, this is my 2004 Subaru WRX, not an STI. I was wanting, my plan was with it was get a WRX, STI swap it, but leave it looking like a WRX. Kind of sleeper build. Yeah, it's a good little car. It's fun to drive. So yeah, with that being said, let's get into taking some more stuff off of it. Alright guys, it's a new day. Kind of lost track of time yesterday, lost some daylight, so it's the next day. We got the tires in. Oh, come on. They are some big old stinking tires. They are 35 by 12.5 by 20 LTs. Picked them up for about $300. These are a pain to find, if I'm gonna be honest. Don't know why exactly, but I don't want to spend $1,500 on a set of tires, so got them used. Pretty good tread left on them, so they should last a couple seasons hopefully. I don't normally go too crazy in the summertime. Normally winter is when I kind of do more drifts and stuff like that, but yeah. Get you guys on my head and we will get these out and continue taking stuff off the Subaru. That was terrible. There we go. All right, let's get these guys out and put in storage. Probably not gonna go in storage, but they'll get out of my freaking truck. Oh, that's all I really care about. I'm not gonna be able to do, I gotta get these. There's something right there. It looks like it's not in the tire. Didn't really get a good look at these, but they're looking. Oh. Almost got it. Alright, get these guys shoved back in. I got this tonneau cover off a guy. Not a bad tonneau cover. It's alright. I'm gonna have a fun time getting these on the truck because they have like 2 inches on either side of the wheel well. Yeah. Excuse me. So I'm not too sure on how that's gonna go, but we'll figure it out when the time comes. Right now is not that time. I think we're gonna start by taking this crash bar off. Not too sure yet. Some of this stuff could actually, like those little vent pieces, the headlights could actually go in the car, but I don't think that far in advance, so don't mind the mess either, guys. It's winter time over here and it's been cold, so like no work is being done outside, and this is like the first time it's been warm, and so now I'm like, all right, let's get the car done. But then I'm like, I don't want to clean. Oh, what the heck? What size is that? Is it a 13? It is a 14, and I am retarded. So maybe this one doesn't come out. I'm not sure yet. All right, where's my big impact? Please tell me I have a 14 on this. Yes. Sweet. Yeah. Okay, where's my big impact? Yeah. Big bear. This probably isn't gonna fit. Beautiful. Let me grab my extension. Oh, there's a 15 I was looking for. All right. Put this on. And we'll figure out how this goes on. Oh yeah, now we're talking, baby. All right, apparently it's gonna be a pain in my butt today. Bricapar. Oh, there it goes. Let's go. I thought I broke it for a second. This definitely is not excessive at all. Oh, what the heck? There we go. This one. Ta-da! Gross, disgusting crash bar can come off. That's disgusting. That looks way better, actually. I really like that. Maybe just run with no crash bar. Beautiful idea. Oh, I need it. Oh, there's certain tabs on it that I need for the bumper. I think that's it though, honestly. All right, that's done. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, I need to take those if I'm gonna take that off. You sucker. That's fine. Honestly, I'll probably just cut it. All right, that's good. Those I'm gonna make my own plug for. I've got a plug kit. So when I put this back on, we'll just use this, and we don't need all this extra. So we just do that, boom. All right. Man, does this happen to anybody else where your Spotify just goes backwards? My goodness. Spotify, get your crap together. No one wants to listen to their playlist going backwards. We're just gonna set that right there. We got this one. Why am I making it difficult on myself? Oh gosh. Thing's got some heft to it. All right, we're just gonna set this right over here. Boom. That's funny looking. If any of you guys want to see me working on this go-kart, it had a GY6 from a scooter, little moped in it, and I replaced it with a Honda FT 500 500cc. I think it's making upwards of like, I did a bunch of stuff to it, exhaust, carb, poured and polished, intake and exhaust. It's probably making somewhere 70, 80 horsepower. So if any of you guys want to see that, me working on it, it broke some stuff on it. I need to just get it going for this new season. So if any of you guys want to see that, just let me know. I will make a video on that. Now, for the interesting part. I don't know, will these go down without like exploding in my face? No, they won't. Wonderful. Okay, that's a problem for another date. All right. Taillights. Gotta pop those out. Where's my favorite tool ever? I love this thing so much. You just like sit there, just shove it in, pop it, boom, done. Simple as that. All right, it kind of started to come off. So you got a bolt right here, right on the inside. You've got some plastic snaps here, down at the very bottom, here, down at the bottom, and then a bolt right there. And then once you have all that done, there's a plug. I have to find it now. Okay, that sucked every ounce, but I finally got it out. So you're just gonna unplug it, and then there's a rubber boot that you're just gonna kind of push through, and then this whole rear bumper can come off. Boom, just like that. That apparently decided it wanted to pop out and be the star of the show today. So I was editing the video, and closer to the end I noticed that there was some clips that were freezing and like the frame would just stop but the audio would continue, and then I had some that were like I just was missing clips from working on the car, so one of them being my ending clip. So I'm recording it now, post-production or whatever it is, fancy schmancy term, but basically we got a lot done on the car. Took off the front bumper, headlights, front crash bar, taillights, rear bumper, mirrors, all the mirror trim pieces, the weather stripping, all that's off. And so yeah, there is a lot of rust on the rocker panels. I found out after recording it when I was pushing the car back in, because I pulled it out later in the day. But there's a lot of rust on the rocker panels, so I don't think I'm gonna record any of that, but I'm gonna have to fix it and whatnot. So yeah, kind of is what it is, but perks of restoring a vehicle. So yeah, thank you guys for watching though. This will be part 1 of the series. So long journey ahead, but definitely made a lot of progress. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more, because that like definitely does help. And yeah, so drive safe. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.